Can a small portable gadget really keep you cool during the summer? Or is it just another product making big promises? That's the question many people have about BreezAirc AC. The device is marketed as a portable cooling solution that claims to provide quick cooling, low power consumption, and easy portability. On paper, it sounds like an attractive alternative to traditional air conditioners, especially for people looking to save on electricity costs. But here's what you should know. Products like BreezAirc AC are usually personal air coolers rather than full-size air conditioners. That means they may help create a cooler feeling in a small area around you, but they're not designed to cool an entire room the way a standard AC unit can. This is where expectations matter. Some users appreciate the portability, quiet operation, and lower energy usage. Others feel the cooling effect isn't as powerful as the advertisements suggest, particularly in larger spaces or very hot environments. If you're considering buying one, I'd recommend checking independent customer reviews, warranty details, and the return policy before placing an order. Real customer experiences often tell a much clearer story than marketing claims. So, is BreezAirc AC worth it? If you're looking for a compact personal cooling device, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting it to replace a traditional air conditioner, you could end up disappointed. At the end of the day, BreezAirc AC appears to be a portable cooling gadget, not a miracle cooling solution. A little research before buying can save you both time and money. If you enjoy honest reviews like this, HM Advisor has plenty more coming your way.